Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy for cats. Many cats don't drink enough water, so adding a tasty gravy to their food can significantly increase their hydration. This simple addition can also make mealtime much more exciting, especially for those finicky felines. Homemade gravy provides extra nutrients and encourages a healthy appetite, ensuring your beloved companion enjoys every bite. Plus, you have complete control over the ingredients, avoiding any unwanted additives. Making a delicious and safe gravy for your cat starts with just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of unseasoned chicken meat, like a chicken breast or thigh. Also, have 2 cups of plain water ready for cooking. Crucially, use 2 cups of cat-safe chicken broth, ensuring it contains no onion, garlic, or other harmful seasonings. Always double-check ingredient labels to keep your furry friends safe and healthy. Now let's get cooking. First, chop your 1 cup of unseasoned chicken into small pieces. Boil these chicken pieces in 2 cups of plain water. Once boiling, add the 2 cups of cat-safe chicken broth. Reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 1 hour, stirring occasionally. After simmering, allow the entire mixture to cool completely. Finally, blend it until you achieve a smooth, gravy-like consistency that your cat will adore. When serving, ensure the gravy is at room temperature. Never give it to your cat hot. A good portion is about 1 to 2 tablespoons mixed with their regular food. For storage, you can refrigerate any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. If you make a larger batch, freeze it in small, individual portions, like in ice cube trays. Remember to thaw frozen gravy in the refrigerator before offering it to your feline companion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.